Hey guys, thank y'all for getting to another one of my videos. In this video, I want to share with you all an app that has been paying me every day for the last couple of weeks, people. And the app is called DOSH. Once you download the app will actually give you $5 just for downloading it. So you got money just for downloading this app. So, but once you download the app, only thing you have to do is just link your debit card to it. The debit card doesn't have to have money on it. It just needs to be an active debit card. And then once you activate it, so now you're actually able to go get cash back from a lot of local stores like your Walmarts and your probably like Whole Foods, anything that's in your area, you can look it up and see if you can get cash back from. So to be able to really get the cash back from, how you really get the cash back, only thing you have to do once you get to the location that you're looking at purchasing, just tell the cashier that you want to use the credit. So once you use credit at any transaction, you're going to receive your cash back. But that's one way to make money with this app. Another way is just to send your referral link to individuals. So you tell your friends and family to do the same thing. Download the app and link their debit card to it. And you'll receive, actually both of y'all will receive $5. You'll receive your $5 bonus and they'll receive the $5 bonus for signing up. So that's exactly what I do, and I tell people to do that. So right now, the last couple of weeks, this is what I have in my bank account right now in rewards from DOSH. And this has been consistently. So see, I've been getting them. Today is the third, and you see, I got quite a few today already. And the only thing I do is just share my link. So once you download the app and get it, you'll come to right here to refer. Click on that, and you'll receive your link. And once you get your link, just of course, just copy and paste your link or whatever. And you just send it to your friends and family. Send it to everybody in your contacts. That's all you have to do. That's all I do. I actually utilize Facebook as well. Just post it on Facebook, people. Like how many a day you need? You need like what? Maybe 4, 5. If you can get 10 a day, 10 people to sign up for a free app that you're giving $5 to. Think about it. That's $50. $50 a day. Who can't make that, man? So I just want to let y'all know, man, it is possible, man. It's free, but you do got to put in the work to get the results that you want. You know what I'm saying? And that's exactly what I did. I just downloaded the app, linked my debit card to it. They actually give you $1 for every debit card you link to it. So you can link multiple debit cards to the app as well. So and just go, get you some cash back. Even if you don't want to do the referral, just get you some extra cash back. I seen people make over $500 in just cash back. You know what I'm saying? Just they ain't changed their shopping habits. They just told the cashier just use credit so they can get the cash back at all their stores. So hopefully y'all find value in this video. So go get that link below. Get the link below. Share it to everybody that you know. Now, if you're having trouble sharing it with everybody and you need more guidance, I have a training below too. It's 75% off for just a little while longer. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that to y'all as well. But until then, you know what I'm saying, hopefully y'all make it a great day. And if you find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team, and I'll see y'all on the next video. All right? Peace.